entire delimitation issue majorly impacts South Indian states. And what DMK is talking about is a fair delimitation process where South Indian states coming from southern India do not face any kind of discrimination in terms of delimitation, where their voices are weakened in any manner. I would have hoped to see even Chandrababu Naidu ji participating in it, simply because it is going to have an impact even on Andhra Pradesh. But however, he has chosen his what side to be on, which is absolutely okay. But hopefully, this would be a meaningful conversation, and this conversation could lead to a dialogue with the centre, and we could have fair representation of all states that are coming together to start demanding for equal space in the delimitation process. I do not see any politics in it. I just see a sense of concern with regards to how some states which have done well on population and how census cannot be the sole method or mechanism to decide the representation in the parliament.
Ahead of Stalin's meeting, RSS leader has made a statement saying that it is a north-south, on delimitation. He said, RSS says north-south divide, rupee symbol issue is also politically motivated.
What is happening clearly is, of course, southern states who've managed to control their population and shown better implementation of welfare schemes and better outcomes in people's lives will have to speak up about the delimitation process linked only to the census on the basis of population. It is going to impact other states too. As far as northern states are concerned, is it fair to have a unfair advantage as far as the other some states, populous states are concerned, where they will have larger voices in the policy making process? So I don't think it is a north-south divide. It's more of how we try and bring in unity and parity between all states when they represent in the parliament. Every voice of every state should be heard in equal measure.